Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I have a topic about negation and change of focus in sentences. In spoken English, communication is not only about the words we use, but also about how we can say them. A speaker can change the meaning of a sentence by placing special emphasis or focus on different words. This is known as contrastive stress or change of focus. When a sentence is negative, the speaker often uses stress to correct a misunderstanding, provide new information, or contrast one idea with another. Although the words of the sentence remain the same, the meaning changes according to which word receives the strongest emphasis. Let us consider this sentence. I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So I will write here on the board and I will explain one by one how the same sentence has got a different meaning because the focus we use on the different words in the same sentence. Then we have a sentence like this: I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. By stressing different words such as I, Abraham, swim, pool, or today, we create different meanings and answer different questions. This shows that English is not merely a language of grammar and vocabulary. It is also a language of intonation, stress, and focus. So once we understand these kind of intonation, stress, and focus, so understand change of focus help us learners speak more naturally and fluently, express precise meaning, correct misunderstandings effectively, improve listening comprehension, develop need-to-like pronunciation and intonation. So let us consider the sentence like I did not, or I didn't take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So here you see, this sentence seems like this is a normal sentence. But if I have stress here on this I, so it means I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. That means not I, कि मैंने उसे नहीं लिया, यानी कि मैंने पूल में आज अब्राहम को तैरने के लिए नहीं लिया. तो यहां पर जो आई है तो मैंने नहीं लिया, तो किसी दूसरे ने लिया होगा. तो इसी तरह से अगर हम इस तरह ये बनाएं लाइक आई didn't take Abraham to swim in the pool today. तो यहां पर जो दूसरा सेंटेंस मैंने दिया है आई डिड नॉट टेक अब्राहम टू स्विम इन द पूल टुडे, तो यहां पर मैंने जोर जो दिया है वो अब्राहम पे दिया मैंने. आई डिडंट टेक अब्राहम टू स्विम इन द पूल टुडे. सो यहां पर ये जो नेगेशन है ये किस पे फोकस करता है, ये अब्राहम पे फोकस करता है. यानी कि मैंने अब्राहम को नहीं लिया, मतलब मैंने किसी दूसरे को लिया होगा. लाइक मैंने जॉन को लिया, मैंने सैमुअल को ले लिया, या मैंने अब्दुल्ला को ले लिया, या मुदस्सिर को ले लिया, मुनीर को ले लिया, लेकिन मैंने अब्राहम को नहीं लिया. तो यहां पर ये जो नेगेशन जो फोकस है वो किस पे है, वो अब्राहम पे. आई डिडंट टेक अब्राहम to swim in the pool today. So you have to show a stress here, a kind of intonation. Why? Once you are speaking English, so you have to show stress and intonation here. Abraham. So you have to give a stress here on this word. Once you give the stress on this word, someone who is listening you will understand that what do you mean? I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So here the stress is on Abraham. I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So this will be like this once you give the stress on this Abraham. So the focus is here on Abraham. Now another sentence. If the sentence I take like I didn't take, so here we keep this normal word Abraham without any stress. To here we use stress like swim in the pool today. I didn't take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So here the stress is on swim. So here I give stress on swim. Once I say I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So once you give the stress here on the swim, it means that you didn't take him to swim. You took him for something else. आपने उसको किसी दूसरे काम के लिए लिया, किसी दूसरे पर्पज के लिए, समथिंग एल्स, किसी दूसरे पर्पज के लिए ले लिया आपने उसे, सम अदर पर्पज। तो किसी दूसरे काम के लिए आपने उसको ले लिया, आपने उसको स्वयं के लिए नहीं ले लिया। You did not take Abraham to swim, not for swim. You took him for some other purpose, not for swim. So here the stress is on swim. So this is how we have to understand this topic. If I say like, I didn't take Abraham to swim in the, so here this, if you give the stress here on pool today, then normal. Like, I didn't take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So here you give the stress on pool. Once you get the stress here on the pool, so you didn't take him to the pool, you might have taken him to river या stream, या किसी आपने किसी दरिया पे उसे ले लिया या किसी स्प्रिंग पे ले लिया, लेकिन आपने उसको पूल में नहीं लिया। तो यहां पर आपने इस पर यहां स्ट्रेस दे दिया। सो दिस इज हाउ वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड intonation, stress and focus. So here the focus goes here. This negation works here on this pool. You didn't take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So here you give the stress on pool. So आपने उसको पूल पे तैरने के लिए नहीं ले लिया, यानी कि मैंने अब्राहम को पूल में तैरने के लिए नहीं लिया। तो यहां पर जो पूल पे स्ट्रेस आ गया, तो आपने उसे कहीं और लिया होगा, किसके लिए? तैरने के लिए। जैसे आपने रिवर पे लिया होगा या किसी स्प्रिंग पे लिया होगा या किसी स्ट्रीम पे लिया होगा। तो इस तरह से ये स्ट्रेस यहां पे जाता है। अगर मैं यही सेंटेंस ऐसे कहूं, आई डिडंट टेक अब्राहम टू स्विम in the pool today. So here you give the stress on today. If you put the stress here on the today, so it means not today. It may be yesterday आपने उसको लिया होगा, या आप उसको tomorrow, आपका कोई जब आपको दिखाना हो, वो दिन आपको नहीं दिखाना हो, तो आपने क्या दिखाना है? तो आज की ये जो बात है, आज नहीं लिया, इसका मतलब है कि आपने उसको कल लिया होगा या आप उसको आने वाले कल लेंगे। तो यहां पर ये जो स्ट्रेस है, ये किस पे ये स्ट्रेस है? तो ये स्ट्रेस सीधे जाता है टुडे पे। सो हाउ विल यू articulate this sentence? You have to articulate like this: I did take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So here you have to get the stress like today. So now I will go one by one for all of these sentences to make you understand that what I mean to say in this topic. Once I say I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today, so here the stress is on I. Like I should say like I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So this is stress is on the I. जब मैं यही सेंटेंस ऐसे कहूं, I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So I did not take Abraham, I took someone else. So यहां पर आपने Abraham पे negation दिखाया today. So this is how you show this difference here. The stress goes here on the Abraham. So now if you take this third sentence, I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. Once you say stress on swim in the pool today, that means you didn't take him for swim, you took him for something else. Okay, there was some other purpose that for you took him. Now here is sentence number 4. Like, I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. What does it say? I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. So here you give this stress on pool. It means you didn't take him to pool. You might have taken him to river, stream, spring or some other place, but not pool, because here we have a negation, did not. So यहां पर हमने स्ट्रेस किस पे दिखाया? पूल पे दिखाया। तो ये आपने कैसे आपने इसको यूज किया, आपने इसको यूज करने के बजाय आपने इस सेंटेंस को कहा कैसे, वो भी माने रखता है, जो मैंने आपको बता दिया। जैसे I did not take Abraham to swim in the pool today. जब आप इस पर जोर देंगे टुडे, तो इसका मतलब है कि आप इस आज के दिन पर स्ट्रेस कर रहे हो। तो यहां पर दूसरा कुछ भी ऐसा हो सकता है, आई डिड not take Abraham to swim in the pool yesterday, or I shall not take Abraham to swim in the pool tomorrow. So here you give the stress on tomorrow, on the day. So this is how you express a sentence, how you say it. So once you say a sentence, and it depends that where you lay the stress, कहां पर आप स्ट्रेस डाल रहे हैं वर्ड पे, वो उसी हिसाब से उसकी मीनिंग बनता है और उसी हिसाब से वो क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे देता है. So in each case the sentence structure remains unchanged, but the speaker's focus shifts, creating a new interpretation. So this is all about negation and change of focus in sentences. Until next topic.